The wait is finally coming to an end. Apple's next-generation AirPods Pro 3, 2025, are making headlines everywhere, thanks to an avalanche of new leaks that reveal almost everything fans have been asking about. For years, Apple has dominated the wireless earbuds market with its AirPods lineup, and the Pro series in particular has set a new standard for active noise cancellation, audio quality, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. But the time has come for a true leap forward. According to the latest reports, Apple isn't just refreshing the AirPods Pro this time. They are reimagining them with smarter features, refined design, a new price point, and game-changing audio technology. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The first AirPods Pro launched in 2019 and immediately became a fan favorite. They introduced active noise cancellation in a compact design, along with transparency mode and a comfortable in-ear fit. Then, in 2022, Apple unveiled the AirPods Pro 2, with the H2 chip powering improved audio, adaptive transparency, longer battery life, and better noise cancellation. But in 2025, Apple appears to be aiming for something even more ambitious. The AirPods Pro 3 will not just be an upgrade, they will be a statement that Apple still leads the way in personal audio. So, what exactly has leaked about the AirPods Pro 3? Let's start with the design. Early renders and supply chain information suggest that Apple is experimenting with a sleeker, more compact form factor. The stems may become slightly shorter, giving them a more modern and discreet look. Some insiders even suggest that Apple is considering a completely stemless design, although most leaks lean toward a refined version of the current style rather than a radical departure. One particularly exciting leak points to new materials being used in the earbuds. Instead of sticking with the glossy plastic shell, Apple may be moving toward a matte finish that resists fingerprints and enhances grip. This would not only make the AirPods Pro 3 feel more premium but also more practical for daily use. Another big change appears to be in fit and comfort. Reports indicate that Apple is working on redesigned ear tips with memory foam-like flexibility, allowing a more secure and personalized fit. This could eliminate one of the most common complaints with AirPods, that they don't fit every ear shape perfectly. With better ergonomics, Apple could ensure that the AirPods Pro 3 stay comfortable even during long listening sessions, workouts, or travel. Now let's talk about what's inside, because this is where things get truly groundbreaking. The AirPods Pro 3 are expected to debut with a brand new H3 chip, the successor to the H2. This chip will reportedly unlock massive performance improvements, including even faster pairing, higher quality audio streaming, and more efficient noise cancellation. The H3 is also said to be designed with AI-driven audio processing, which means the AirPods Pro 3 will adapt in real time to your surroundings and your listening preferences. For example, if you're on a noisy train, the earbuds could automatically increase noise cancellation while optimizing EQ for clarity. If you're walking outdoors, transparency mode could dynamically adjust to let in just enough sound for safety while still reducing harsh environmental noise. The leaks also suggest that Apple is pushing spatial audio to the next level. With AirPods Pro 2, Apple introduced personalized spatial audio that mapped your ears for a tailored surround sound experience. The AirPods Pro may build on this with a